Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here: which of the following is the next term in the series? So to find that, let's first write the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's see, A and W means, let me number them as well. 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So let's see, AW means 1 and 23. Then we have ET means 5 and 20. Then we have IQ, so which is 9, and Q is 17. Then next, if we observe here, 4 is getting added as we go to next member of the series here for the first letter, and 3 is getting subtracted for the second letter. So next should be plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13, and 17 minus 3 is 14. So the letters should be M and N, and yes, it's correct. So the pattern fits: plus 4 minus 3. So next member will be, let's see, 13 plus 4 is 17, and 14 minus 3 is 11. So 17, 11, which is, no, which is Q, and 11 is K. So next member should be QK. Answer is option D.